So it's freezing. It's 8 degrees. So this is a perfect time for us to tell you about our sponsor, InnoCraft. They sent us their Max Heat Torpedo Heater. We're gonna use it while we're finishing up the project for the day. So guys, today's video is sponsored by InnoCraft. They sent us the InnoCraft Max Heat Torpedo Heater. It's great for professionals, it's great for workshops and large spaces. Super simple assembly. It took me just 2 minutes to get it put together. Put the hose on there, we're ready to go. It's safe, CSA listed, it has overheat protection and gas leak protection. The InnoCraft Max Heat Torpedo Heater has an adjustable temperature settings. That way you don't have to turn the unit on and off to regulate temperature. Another great feature is it's extremely quiet compared to other heaters. No clicking, no clanking, and it's only 70 decibels. Oh, look at that. Nice. Don't let the camera and microphone fool you. This is extremely quiet compared to any heater I've used before. We used to have a unit like this that was half the size, and it was so loud it was obnoxious to use. So I'm glad that they figured out how to make these more quiet and less disruptive to your project. I'm using it out here while we do trim for the mini cabin, but it's designed to use in large spaces and workshops, and it can heat those spaces up very quickly. It's safe, economical, and quiet. For smaller spaces, use the 68,000 BTU unit, or go big and get the 125,000 BTU unit. I'm surprised at how efficient it is. We have it hooked to a power station. It's only drawing 125 watts for that blower and fan, and it's pushing off some serious heat. Pretty awesome unit, pretty simple design, does what it says, and does it very well. So if you guys need a torpedo heater, check out the links in the description box below. You'll get a great deal there, and it'll help support this channel. We appreciate InnoCraft for sponsoring today's video, and we appreciate you for keeping me warm while I'm out here working on the mini cabin. And I look forward to using it in the pole barn for future projects. Doing good. Coming together.
Can I do anything to help?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh, what happened? There we go. 31 5/8.
Woo! Max hurts in an hour, so hour and 20 minutes, so I got plenty of time.
Did you go for a puppy walk? Did you go? Did you already go, or you want to go for another one? Is that you try to trick me? Oh, you got ice on your whiskers.
He's got a nice beard.
Yeah, it's cold.
It's because the sun's out and there's no clouds.
Yeah. Whew, what is it, like 8 degrees or 9 degrees last time I checked? Solar's doing good though. Yay! I was worried.
First time in 6 weeks.
7 or 8. Like all of November and December. And I guess the first week of January. Yeah, a lot of weeks. But look, guys, I got all the windows done in the mini cabin. Except for Jenny's little one up there. But I'll do that when I do ladder stuff. And we do the...
ceiling trim.
Ceiling
wall trim.
Yeah.
This cabin's going to get trimmed out first, guys.
I mean, it's like 50% done already. Half a day's working on it. So it's manageable. So check it out, guys. What do you think? Do you like it?
Looks good.
Is it fancy enough for you?
It looks good.
It's a little rougher than the rest of the cabin, so it gives it a little bit of rustic appeal. It was looking too nice around here, so I had to rough it up a little. It looks nice, just the wood's not. This isn't like finishing wood. This is like scrap wood or stripping or something. So anyway, check it out. It's hard to show. It's hard to show trim because all the lights always behind or in front of the camera, so you can't really see. If I had done this right, I would have done the sills last. But because I put the sills on first, I had to notch these out. And it looks a little goofy, but it is what it is. Happy?
Looks good.
Well, thanks for you working hard. Jen's back to teaching classes.
Back to working, and I just clean up the cabin a little because it's gotten a little dirty the last few days.
You organize it once in a while, right?
Yes.
Sweep and all that good stuff.
Sweep and clean.
Vacuum.
Yep. So.
So cool, guys. We got a lot done the last couple days. A little short days, but it's really cold out, so just worked for a few hours, and I didn't even bother heating the cabin up today because I was only in here for a couple hours. So, and Jen did the poly the other day. I don't know if that was in this video or the last video. We put the
handles on.
It's looking nice. I don't think I ever did a pan of that.
I did the handles.
Did you?
Today, yeah.
Okay.
So, yay.
So,
a little bit done at a time, guys.
Yeah, cabin's coming together. So, that's what you do this time of year. You
little things done.
Yeah, you either hibernate and don't do anything, or...
That's not our style.
No, we like to keep busy.
So, and we're going to do some updates and kind of videos we want to do all year, and we just get busy in the summer, so.
Yeah, do a 2024 wrap up and do some time lapses for you guys. Like I said, we'll slow down during the winter, but not stop.
Yeah, we won't stop. We just see different kinds of videos coming at you.
This is the best time of year. You guys get you get to listen to me talk more.
Info videos.
So, appreciate you guys hanging out with us. If you're new here by chance, subscribe so you can hang out with us in the future and have some fun. And for all our diehards, members, and long-term people here, we
appreciate y'all.
Yeah, very much. So, we hope to catch you in the next video.
Yep.
And best wishes.
See you soon.